This is R.D. Sharma Solution Class 12, Chapter 19. Exercise is 19.4. Indefinite integrals we are taking. Now, this type of question we have already done, but there are certain tips and tricks that I can share with you that you may follow. For example, x square plus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Now, the first thing we'll try to factorize x square plus 5x plus 2 so that x plus 2 gets cancelled. This is the first thing we are going to try. But if it doesn't work, then this next thing will be, I will just simplify it and we will try to eliminate x plus 2 from the denominator as much as possible. Because see, if you don't have any denominator, it will be very easy to solve the numerator. Now just have a view here. I'm just taking all the numerators one by one and dividing it with the denominator. That is possible. That is possible in mathematics. We have seen in the earlier grade 6 and 7. So this is x square by x plus 2. Now if you subtract 4 and add 4, what will happen? X square minus 4 is x square minus 2 square. X square minus 2 square is x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay. Now we got x plus 2. This is how we have to follow the rules of mathematics, because x square minus 4 plus 4 will give you x plus 2 somewhere, and that can be cancelled. Now coming to the second term, 5. So we have x plus 2 minus 2. When we cancel it, x plus 2 minus 2, then also we'll get an x plus 2. From here, we don't need it because we have a direct solution or direct integration of x plus 2. So let us separate them out as well. X square minus 4 divided by x plus 2 and 4 divided by x plus 2. Here 5 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. And here 5 will remain like that. 5 to the 10 it will be. So x plus 2 in the denominator. Now you have already this 2 by x plus 2. As I told you, integration of this is readily available to us. Now x square minus 4, as we indicated earlier, it will be x minus 2 into x plus 2. And x plus 2 can be cancelled. Numerator denominator, x minus 2 will remain. And we have this second one which is giving you 5. Okay, what about this 4 by x plus 2 minus 10x by x plus 2 and 2 by x plus 2? Because the denominator are same, so we can have 4 minus 10 plus 2. So 4 minus, this is 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10 is negative 4. But negative 4 divided by 4 divided by x plus 2. Okay, now integration we will do. See, let me tell you, integration and dx is everywhere. I'm just doing it here just not to clutter things. Means I have to explain you things very clearly and cleanly. So this is the integration. This will be x square by 2. This will be minus 2x. This will be 5x. And then we have this integration of 1 by x plus 2. So integration of, this is minus 4. Integration of x by 2 is what? It's log x plus 2. Integration of 1 by x plus 2 is what? Integration of 1 by x is ln x. ln is simply log base e and modulus of x. So 4 ln of x plus 2. Then you have to differentiate x plus 2. X plus 2 differentiation is 1 only. And that has to be kept in the denominator. That you don't forget that. That has to be done. Okay, then we have the constant of integration as well. So we have x square minus 2. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Minus 4 ln modulus of x plus 2. Plus c, constant of integration. Okay, this is your final answer. So everywhere integration is already there, dx is already there. I am just skipping it, not writing it, because we have limited space and I want you to show it cleanly. But I'll show you how you are going to write it. That will be presented to you, but the logic is here. Now this is the stepwise instruction or solution manual for you, and this is how you are going to get the result. Next one is again the same thing we are going to follow. We would like to eliminate x minus 2 as much as possible. Everywhere integration and dx is by default. I am not writing it. Just remember, you have to have this integration and dx everywhere. So x cube by x minus 2, since we have x cube, we can have a formula. If we add and subtract negative 8 plus 8, that is this addition and subtraction if we do, we'll get 8 as 2 cubes. So x cube minus 2 cube is x minus 2, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. That's what is the result, standard result, which you can call. So now this let us write this x cube minus 8 and 8 separately. And x cube minus 8, let us replace it by x minus 2, x square plus 4 plus 2x divided by x minus 2. And then we have this as 8 integration of x minus 2. So this gets cancelled. You have x square plus 2x plus 4 or x square plus 4 plus 2x. So you have x square plus integration of 4 plus twice of integration of x, 8 integration of 1 by x minus 2. What is integration of x square? It's x cubed by 3. What is integration of 4? It's everywhere dx is there. I'm not writing it again. I'm reiterating. Integration and dx is everywhere. But I just put integration wherever it is required. So what is integration of dx? It's x. 4 is already there. And I'll just write 4. So x is integration of x is x square by 2. Now you have 8 here. So this is ln. We have just seen in the previous question, it's modulus of x minus 2. What is x cubed by 3? And this is x square. So we'll go by descending order of powers. This was 4x earlier, I told you. So x cubed by 3. Then we have x square. Then we have this 4x. So always write in the decreasing order of the power. Then we have 4x, then we have 8. This is ln, that is log base e modulus of x minus 2 plus constant of integration. So this is the standard result. Okay, x cube minus a cube or x cube minus b cube formula. So would you like to try by yourself this one, right? This same thing which we have done in the previous two questions. I'm going to guide you here a bit. We need to get 3x plus 2 in the numerator so that we can cancel out this 3x plus 2 which is there in the denominator. So what we are going to do here, we are going to multiply 9 to the numerator, and of course we need to have a 9 in the denominator as well because we have introduced 9 by ourselves. What do you get in the numerator? It's 9x square plus 9x plus 5 9s are 45, and divided by 9 will keep it for the later part. We'll not be dealing with the denominator 9. We'll introduce it or recall it whenever it is required. 3x plus 2 we require. Now 9x square, if we add 4 and subtract 4, what are you going to get? 9x square minus 4 plus 4. So when we add and subtract 4, because we already have 45, so you can just take this 4 from 45 and subtract also. So basically we are adding and subtracting 4. And this negative 4 comes with 9x square minus 4. We have 3x plus 2 in the denominator. 9, as I am saying, it will be used later or recalled later. Then we have 9x, and if you can make it as 3x plus 2, if you add 6 and subtract 6, what are you going to get? 9x plus 6 and 3x plus 2. See, plus 4 in the first term and negative 6 in the second term I have not written because that is going to go with 45. So this addition of 4 and subtraction of 6, that is you have to add subtract negative 2. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 45 minus 2 is this one. So you get 43. 43 divided by 3x plus 2. 1 by 9 will be taken up later. And everywhere integration and dx sign is already there. So 9x square minus 4, you can write it as 3x whole square minus 2 square. So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So 3x minus 2 into 3x plus 2 you will get. And what is in the denominator? You have 3x plus 2 in the denominator. Now you can cancel these two. You will get 3x minus 2 in the numerator, 3x minus 2 here. And in this one you can just take 3 common, 9x plus 6. If you take 3 common, you will get 3 into 3x plus 2, which is actually equal to the 9x plus 6 only. In the denominator, you have 3x plus 2. Now you can cancel these two out, so only 3 remains. Plus 43 divided by 3x plus 2 here. Okay, whatever we have done, integration and followed by the term, followed by the dx is already there. Please remember, this will always be there. So now let us use the integration here. Here also integration with a dx. Integration with a dx and integration. This 43 will not be integrated, it will be in front. So we have 3 into x square by 2 and 1 by 9 is already there. So I'll use it later. Minus 2x divided 2x plus 3x, because integration of dx is of course x, plus 43, and what is 1 by 3x plus 2? It's log 3x plus 2. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 3x plus 2 is log 3x plus 2. But the job is not finished. 3x plus 2, you have to differentiate it. What is differentiation of 3x plus 2? It's going to be 3. Differentiation of d by dx is 3, and that has to be kept in the denominator, 43 by 3. So now you have this ln 3x modulus 3x plus 2 with a constant of integration. But still we have a 9, if you remember. 3x 1 by 9 has to be multiplied to each and every term. So 3 by 2x square into 1 by 9. 3x minus 2x is x, so x by 9 plus 43 divided by 9 3 is 27, and there will be no cancellation, of course. So 43 by 27. This is ln 3x plus 2, and with the constant of integration. So this everywhere integration and dx is by default. Please remember, I'm not writing it, but it has to be there every time. So you get x square by 6 plus x by 9 plus 43 by 27. ln is log base e. Modulus has to be kept there, because in the standard results I already told you how to do this. 43 by 27, sorry. And then we have log ln 3x plus 2. This is your final result. So I hope you'll be able to do this properly. This integration dx will remain everywhere. So this is your final result with all the discussion we had kept in mind. Now whatever we have discussed, same thing we are going to apply here. We are going to simplify so that we can integrate it properly. So we have this 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole square. 2x plus 3, you can write it as 2x minus 2 plus 2. So if we have added, we have to subtract also. And this is x minus 1 whole square in the denominator. This is 2x minus 2, and this 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Then we have this 2x minus 2. So you can just take this integration of dx. Integration of dx remains everywhere. I'm again and again telling you, this will always be there. Don't skip it. So 2 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square, and 5. This x minus 1 goes to the upstairs, that is to the numerator, x minus 1 to the power minus 2. Now let us integrate. Integration of 1 by x minus 1, because x minus 1 cancels with x minus 1 whole square one time. And we have x minus 1 to the power minus 2. 1 by x minus 1 integration is simply ln x minus 1. X minus 2 to the power minus 2 is x minus 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. You got x minus 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. So this is minus 1 by x minus 2. So you get, oh, it's x minus 1. What I've done. This is all x minus 1, okay? There is a slight change here. So just take minus, because it is negative 1 by x minus 1. So 5 divided by x minus 1 it will be. So you can differentiate this, and this differentiation will give you 1. It will come in the denominator. So 1 will go in the denominator. So this is your final result plus the constant of integration. So this is the way you are going to write it actually. We have x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. By now you have understood what we have to do. X plus 1 we need in the numerator, so that we can cancel this x plus 1 whole square as many times as possible. So x square plus 1... x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. Then we have x square plus 2x plus 1 in the numerator. I'm going to give you two ways. One is this one. You can have x square and you can make x square plus 1 plus 2x in the numerator. Whatever is remaining, you can keep it aside. That is, if you want 1, you have to subtract 1. If you have to add 2x, you have to subtract 2x. So this will give you this x square, x plus 1 whole square in the numerator. Along with this, whatever is following, you have to deal this with 3x minus 1 also. So x minus 2 will come. So when you do this, the first term will be of course 1. But what about x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square? So you have to do the same thing with x minus 2 also, again and again. X plus 1, because x minus 2 can be written in x plus 1 terms also. I'll give you a different approach. You will see how easy it will be. Let us write I equals to integration of x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So we'll take x plus 1 as t. You can take it as t, p, q, whichever character you are comfortable with. So d by dx of x plus 1 will be 1, and this will be dt by dx. So essentially you are getting dt equals to dx. So you have dt equals to dx. Alright. So one say result is this one, which we are going to use later on. X plus 1 is equal to t. So this whole integration will be changed as per our assumption, because x equals to t minus 1, because if you taken x plus 1 equals to t, of course the x is going to be t minus 1. So this dx will be taken as dt, and x square plus 3x minus 1, I'll just tell you what we are going to do. We have to take x as t minus 1 in all the terms. So 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 into t minus 1 minus 1. And in place of dx, we'll write dt. In the denominator, we have x plus 1 whole square, so it will be t square. So you'll see how easy it will become. Standard result you can apply here. So we are going to open this. T minus 1 whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So t square plus 1 square minus 2t. Here we have plus 3t minus 3. We have minus 1 here. We have t square in the denominator, and we need to separate them out now. So t square, we have 3t minus 2t as t. This both we have taken. Now 1 cancelled, so we have negative 3. T square in the denominator. And let us integrate and take every term separately. So t square by t square plus t by t square minus 3 by t square. Integration of t square. So this gets cancelled. T square gets cancelled. So you get integration of, this will be dt. Please remember, it will be dt now, because we have changed as per our assumption. So dt, t by t square is 1 by t dt. Integration of this one dt. Minus 3 integration of 1 by t square dt. So integration of dt is going to be t only. 1 by t will be log t ln modulus of t minus 3. 1 by t square, of course you know, but I have to show you how it is being done. So it goes t negative 2 to the numerator, t minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So it will be taken t negative 1 divided by negative 1. So it will be 1 by t with a negative sign. So minus minus become plus 1 by t. Again the integration will be ln 1 by after integration 1 by t has come. After integration 1 by t has come. So plus c. Otherwise it would be equivalent to the second term. So t, write it as x plus 1 ln, write t as x plus 1. So you have modulus of x plus 1 here plus 3. What is in the denominator? T, which is x plus 1. And plus constant of integration. It's not x plus c, it's x plus 1. So any constant you see, you just add these. This is your final result, a constant of integration. So this is the one thing which you can follow. This is the other thing you can follow. So this is the step-by-step solution which you can follow if you are actually writing it somewhere. Next one is also like that, which we have completed 5 questions. So it will be 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. 2x minus 1 minus 2 you can write, and plus 2 you can write, because we need x minus 1 in the numerator so that we can cancel it out with the denominator. So we have x minus 1 whole square here. So let us separate them out. 2x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Now this numerator will give twice of x minus 1. You have x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1. This minus 2 goes up. Now let us integrate. This after cancellation, 1 x minus 1 will get cancelled. Now I am integrating it now. So 2 integration of x, this will be ln x minus 1 log x minus 1. See, ln is nothing but log base e. And this will be minus 1 by x minus 1. How it will come? X minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. This becomes x minus 1 to the power negative 1 divided by negative 1. So negative 1 by x minus 1. X minus 1. Plus constant of integration. Everywhere integration and dx go hand in hand. Please remember. So will always be there. This is your final result. Okay. So this all you know already. The only thing is that if you are not able to ride your bike at first, if somebody gives you a push, you'll be able to do it. So this is just, I'm giving you a push or just giving you some explanation, but rest all is your intellect, your effort. So this is all about this exercise. Have a good one. Thank you.